Hey guys, we're Soldier Solutions. We help veterans get service dogs. We support a nonprofit called TADSAW, Train a Dog Save a Warrior. They rescue dogs from kill shelters and train them. We foot the bill so veterans don't have to, and this is how we support them.
How you doing, guys?
What's your sister company?
Discontinued.
Nine Line.
I have all your shirts, and my hoodie was like.
Can they find you online?
We have a lot
They
of
can
new
find us
friends.
online at soldiersolutionsllc.com. And these are our socials.
So guys, go ahead. All the money goes to support the veterans.